Shurangama Mantra. Namo Shurangama Assembly of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. O deep and wondrous dhāraṇī, unmoving honored one, Shurangama appears most rarely in the world. Extinguishing deluded thoughts from countless kalpas past, I needn't pass through eons till the Dharma body's gained. I wish to now attain the way, and as the Dharma king, I'll then return to rescue beings more than Ganges sands. This deep resolve I offer to the myriad Buddha's lands, and thus endeavor to repay the Buddha's boundless grace. I humbly ask the Bhagavan to certify my quest, to enter the five turbidities. If yet a single being's not accomplished Buddhahood, accordingly I also must renounce nirvana's bliss. O great in courage, great in power, great compassionate one, I pray would now uncover and dispel my subtlest doubts. Thus cause me quickly to attain supreme enlightenment, and sit with the bodhimandas of the tenfold realms, and even could the nature of shunyata melt away, my vajra-like supreme resolve would still remain unmoved. Namo eternally abiding Buddhas of the 10 directions. Namo eternally abiding Dharma of the 10 directions. Namo eternal abiding Sangha of the 10 directions. Namo Sakyamuni Buddha. Namo Supreme Shurangama of the Buddha Summit. Namo Guanxi Yin Bodhisattva. Namo Vajra Treasury Bodhisattva. At that time, the world-honored one from the flesh mound at the crown of his head released 100 jeweled light, and 1,000-petaled rare lotus arose from the midst of the light. Seated within the precious flower was a transformation body of the thus come one, whose crown in turn emitted 10 rays of the 100-jeweled effulgence. All the myriad lights shone round about, everywhere revealing secret trace Vajra spirits, many as the sands of the 10 Ganges rivers, each holding aloft a mountain and wielding a pestle. They pervaded the realm of empty space. The great assembly gazed upward, at once filled with fear and admiration. Seeking the Buddha's kind protection, they single-mindedly listened, as, streaming light at the Buddha's invisible crown, the transformation thus come one proclaimed the spiritual mantra.